Thank you very much. I think you know I'm quite straightforward and blunt, so I'll be quite straightforward. I think I don't even know myself. Now I have probably over 100 companies worldwide, and there's a lot of work, as you know, to manage them. But people ask me what keeps you going, and it's always something new, something which can give you excitement and something which can, get you out of your bed. So because of Dr. Osman and Dr. Meer, I met Jack. There were two things which convinced me I really want to work with this guy. Number one, the product. I haven't seen any product like this. Amazing. You look at equipment and then the connectivity app, how it works together, and I saw, okay, he's got a vision. I don't know how big that is, but then I saw probably 1 billion people at least in the world, they can use it and they can benefit it. So health, no one pays attention, and since I moved to Dubai, I have a bit of tummy as well now. So I want to get fit myself, and I want to teach my fans and people that you can be fit. You don't have to go gym for 1 hour. You don't have to kill yourself. You can be fit staying at home. The second thing is the most important thing. I met Jack. Alhamdulillah, really nice guy, amazing work, America, all over the world, but very humble. It's like we met together and I felt he's kind of someone I would like to have, friendship with. And the humbleness and the way he meets, and I want to, if he was a girl, he would have been my girlfriend. I like him so much. So we clicked straight away, and now we have a mission together, inshallah. I'll make sure I should use my influence, I use my money, I use whatever I've got to make this product the #1 product in the world, and also we'll target to not only to take it to multi-billion dollars, inshallah, like Apple, like other companies, let's take it to $1 trillion mark. And I'm so happy that I'm here, amazing people here, all of you who came here, especially Jack, Dr. Ahmad, Dr. Usman, and Anibhai and everyone. Thank you very much, really appreciate this, and I think it's all of us together, it's our responsibility. We have some amazing product here, and one thing I really like what Jack always says, there's no nationality, there's no color, there's no difference. Let's create one community, one nation, which uses one product, and this product brings everyone together. Doesn't matter you're from America, doesn't matter you're from India or Pakistan. So I would say let's join this platform and make this platform #1 product in the world, as well as let's become a family, let's become a community. Thank you very much.